Keyboard shortcuts can make editing in Adobe Premiere Pro much faster and more efficient. Instead of constantly clicking menus with the mouse, shortcuts help you cut clips, move around the timeline, trim footage, and apply tools instantly. And honestly, professional editors rely heavily on keyboard shortcuts every single day to speed up their workflow. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to make and customize keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create or open the project you want to edit. To customize shortcuts, go to the Edit menu on Windows or the Premiere Pro menu on Mac, then choose Keyboard Shortcuts. Premiere Pro will now display a visual keyboard layout showing which keys already have assigned shortcuts. You can quickly search for editing commands like cut, ripple delete, zoom, or playback using the search bar. To make a custom shortcut, drag a command onto a keyboard key or click the command and press the key combination you want. If a shortcut is already being used, Premiere Pro will warn you about the conflict before replacing it. And that's your full guide on how to make keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to customize shortcuts and speed up your editing workflow using Premiere Pro.